Hi, welcome back. We haven't done a time lapse for a while, so let's do one. I've got 12 knives from a cafe, and there's 6 globals, a Wusthof, and some Mundials, and a Spanish knife as well. So I will get onto those. We'll start the time lapse, always at 2 minutes to midnight, and we'll see at the end. We'll do some slicing, and it'll be a great time. See you in a minute. Well, that was amazing. I zipped through those. That's a personal best so far record. That's 11 knives in 50 minutes. An average of 4:54, so 4 minutes and 54, so just a bit shy under 5 minutes each knife. So if you're thinking of starting a knife sharpening business, you might want to include those facts into your calculations. Now, so let's have a quick slice test. Why not? I'll bring you over here a little bit. So let's start with the nice. Don't know what this one is. I think this is a Mundial. And some more. Oh. Utility knife. A boning knife at 40 degrees. And a small little pairing. Oop. Let's try that again. Then the globals, a couple of big chef knives. Oh, I don't know what it is about that sound. You either know or you don't. Beautiful Santoku. A smaller what shape is that? Is that Gyuto style? Yep. And then last of all, or second to last, a utility. And a small little pairing. How about that? So, personal best, fastest ever, and the reason that I'm going fast is I'm eliminating the things that don't work and going straight to the things that do, not overdoing everything. And if I stop and wipe and check all the time, that adds minutes. So if you know what you're doing, you can do a couple of passes on each side and get straight onto the hone. Once you feel that strong burst, straight onto the hone, and you're done. So Tormek machines are fantastic. And if you do your own mathematics on that, you will see that you can start your own knife sharpening business and be successful if you can get your marketing right. All the best. Thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more. See ya.